Hi everyone, this is your Neera Aunty and welcome to Story Bite. Today I am going to tell you a very interesting story, and the story is about the bird who can sing. Let's start. Once upon a time there was a boy whose name was Harry. Harry was fond of stories just like you all. One day he heard a story about the bird who can sing. He became so happy and excited that he decided to find out that bird. So the very next morning, he walked towards the forest to look for that bird. In the forest, Harry saw a green bird sitting on a nearby tree. Harry asked the bird, "Hello, Mr. Bird. Are you the bird who can sing?" The bird replied, "Oh, no, I am a parrot. I can repeat what men say. I don't know how to sing." And the bird flew away. Now Harry started walking again. He walked and walked and walked and walked, walked and walked and walked and walked. After some time, he saw a bird flying high up in the sky. The bird came down and sat on a nearby tree. Harry asked the bird, "Hello, Mr. Bird. Are you the bird who can sing?" The bird replied, "Oh, no, I am an eagle. I can fly high up in the sky. I don't know how to sing." And the bird flew away. Now Harry was sad. He thought that he had found the bird who can sing, but actually it was an eagle. As he was walking, he came across a bird who was very beautiful and very colorful. He asked the bird, "Hello, Mr. Bird. Are you the bird who can sing?" The bird replied, "Oh, no, I am Peacock. I love to dance in the rain, but I don't know how to sing." Harry said, "Oh, Mr. Peacock, you are so beautiful and colorful. Nice to meet you." Peacock replied, "Thank you so much, dear boy." And Peacock went away. Harry was very tired and disappointed. He decided to go back home and will look for the bird the very next day. On his way back home, he heard a sweet sound. Coo, coo, coo. Harry got really happy and excited. It was the same sound he was looking for. He just looked here and there and followed that sound and saw a black bird in the sky. The bird came down and sat on the nearby tree. Harry asked the bird, "Hello, Mr. Bird. Are you the bird who can sing?" The bird said, Yes. I love to sing. I am cuckoo." Harry asked the bird, "Oh, cuckoo, will you please sing for me?" Yes, sure. Coo, coo, coo." And the bird flew away. Now Harry was very happy, very excited. Finally, he had found the bird who can sing. So that's the story of Harry and the bird who can sing. I hope you liked and enjoyed it. So keep watching Story Bite. I will come up with more stories. Till then, bye bye.